Pennsylvania. Flood advisory will expire at 8:15 p.m. this evening for southeastern Allegheny County. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat.
Fuck.
Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
Oh God! What is it? On SBR, I thought that happened. You kidding me? It's on my phone.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Allegheny, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Castle Shannon or over Bethel
There
Park
goes thunder
and is nearly
continuing.
stationary.
Which I got
Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon,
That was
Bethel Park,
perfect timing,
West Midland,
yes.
Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Whitehall, South Park Township, Munhall, Jefferson Hills, Brentwood. This includes Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 65 and 68. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for